Assalamu alaikum. How are you, everyone? Today we're going to make a revision for topic 4 assessment. Here, the first question: which ordered pair locates point P at the coordinate plane? Here is the point P. Now, to locate or to find the ordered pair, we need to find the x coordinate and the y coordinate for P. The x coordinate here, how many units it goes from the left or for the left or the right. Here's the x coordinate is -3, and the y coordinate, we see how many units it goes up. It's 4, so it is -3, 4. So the answer is A. Now, next question. Enter the decimal numbers on the boxes to complete the ordered pair that locates point A on the coordinate plane. First of all, we need to see each section represents what. Here, as you can see, the section between 1 and 2 divided into 2 parts, so it has halves. So here, as you can see, here half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. So the x coordinate for A is here is 2.5. Each section here represents half, because the section between 0 and 1 is divided into 2 parts. So the x coordinate is, as you can see, 2.5. And the y coordinate here, how many units it goes down? Here it is -half, -0.5. So here we put negative here negative half, 0.5. Here it is negative, by the way. So it's -half. So the coordinates of A is 2.5 positive, the x coordinate is 2.5, and the y coordinate is -0.5. Next question. Now choose yes or no to tell if each statement is correct. Now BC is 5 units long. BC 1. Let me check. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 units, so it's no. AC is 9 units long. Let me count. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 units. BC is longer than BA. BC is longer than BA. No, it's wrong. As you can, BA is longer than BC, so it's no. BC is 5 units shorter than AC. BC is 4 units, and AC is 9 units. So it's 5 units shorter than AC. Yes. Next question. What's the distance from point M, -3, 2, to point N, -3, -4? Now here, as you can see, now when we want to find the distance between the 2 points, First, they have the same x. And look at the y coordinate, different signs. So they are in different coordinates. Now we ignore the similar coordinates, and the different coordinates have different signs, so they are in different quadrants. So in this case, we need to add the absolute values. The absolute value of 2 is 2, and the absolute value of -4 is 4. Now we add them. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So it is 6 units. Next question. Enric drew a plan for interactive displays in the school auditorium for science night. Displays are located at J -4, -5, -4, K -5, 4, and L 5, 4. Now choose the graph that shows the locations of the interactive displays. Let's start by any one of them. Now J -4, -5, -4. So J should be in the third quadrant because it has negative coordinates, but it is -5 x and -4y. So here -5x, -4y. Here J is correct, and K -5, 4. J K -5 here -5, 4, and L is 5, 4. Here is, as you can see, is 5, 4. So it's correct. The answer is A. Now part B, use the number below to explain the distance that the new point should be from the existing points to form a rectangle. Numbers may be used once, more than once, or not at all. Now K and L are, let's look at K and L. This K and L, how many units? Let me go to the correct one. K and L. Here we have 5 units, -5 to 5, 10 units. So the distance between K and L is 10 units. We can find it by counting. So K and L, 10 units. K and J are, K and J, we have 4 and -4, so 8 units. So the fourth point should be how many units to the right of point J and how many units below L. Look here. Now we want to the right of point J. To the right of point J, it should be here to form a rectangle. Here. So how many units from J? The distance between J and the new point. Here, new point. Here, the distance between J and the new point should be the same distance between K and L. So it is 10. And from L, it should be 8 to have similar or congruent sides. So we need 10 again and 8 because the opposite sides are similar. Now, at what coordinates should square place a fourth interactive display if we want display to form a rectangle? Here, this is the new point, as I mentioned. Here's the new point. So this new point should be here. The x is 5 and the y is -4. So 5, -4 to form a rectangle. We need 5, -4. So the answer is C. Now choose all the ordered pairs that are 3 units apart. So the distance between them should be 3 units. Here we start by this. Now we ignore the similar coordinates. Now here we add the absolute values because they have different signs. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So A is correct. Now what about B? The distance, we ignore the 3. Now, because they are similar signs, 4 minus 1 equals 3, also B. C, we ignore, we cannot find the distance here because they have no similar coordinates. Now D, they have the same X. Here in C, they don't have the same X or the same Y. So it's wrong. But about D, now 5 minus 3 equals 2. So the answer is A and B only. Now last question. Drag the ties to match each side of the polygon with its side length. Now it's very easy here. UV, how many units? Between U and V, just we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I'm sorry. So 9 units. VW, 2 units. VW, 2 units. WX, 1, 2, 3 units. XY, 1, 2, 3 units. YZ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. UZ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 units. Now part B, what's the perimeter in units of the polygon? We need to add all of these. 9 plus 2, 11, plus 3, 14, plus 3, 17, plus 6, 23, plus 5, 28. So the answer is 28. Here, by this, we come to the end of our video for topic 4 assessment. Thank you very much.